I'm gonna show you how I reinstall my 6x6 closure. So first off, I'm just measuring where I'm gonna glue down the lace, and I'm gonna use my wax stick from my brand, and I am using a hot comb to make sure everything is back. Same thing with my clips, making sure all the hair strands are back, and then I'm gonna use the Evan New York lace glue. This is the black kind, and as you can see, I put a little bit too much for the first layer. I usually do 3 to 4 layers for a longer install, but for this one, I was not planning to have it long. So then I'm just gonna let it dry, make sure it's nice and clear. Then I'm gonna go in for a second layer, and yeah, and then I'm just gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm gonna start placing down my lace. So I use a rat tail comb to make sure everything is nice and put. And as you can see, I'm feeling myself a little bit. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of lace glue and just fill in the area that don't have the glue where the lace is placed. So yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead with my lace band, my melt band. I did cut it shorter, so it's definitely tight, but you know it's giving facelift. So yeah, as you can see, I'm already feeling the melt already. Like yeah, then I'm gonna go in for my spritz, and then brushing it out. It's blown out. It's yeah, the hair is blown out, and it's giving volume. It's giving thick. So yeah, this is the end of my install.